Now, let's talk a little bit about how you can become an actual expert in Splunk. Now, a lot of people who want to understand Splunk, typically they will go online, they will take a few videos here and there. That is okay or just cool for someone who is trying to understand a few concepts. Maybe someone is just interested in understanding what Splunk SPL is. They just want to do a Splunk installation, go around the web UI, and they don't want to understand anything further than that. That is okay. But if your idea is to become an actual expert in Splunk, then that is not going to be enough. A lot of students have been asking me this question, and that's why I keep coming. I think I put a video before, but I realized that that didn't provide enough information. I went ahead and wrote this blog that I'm pointing on the screen. So the link to this blog is going to be in the description of this video. You can click the link, access it, and it's going to show you the exact steps that you can take in order to become an actual Splunk expert. Now, for fans of Raccoon Solutions channel, so people who have actually been going through the videos in this channel from day one when we started with introduction to Splunk, went ahead, installed Splunk, looked at the web UI, looked at all the other concepts, and then recently Splunk Search Processing Language. When you go through the blog, you don't really need to take the Splunk Essentials course anymore because you already have the foundational knowledge that has been provided to you through these YouTube videos. So what you need to go ahead and do is just take the certification courses, and then you see how it's going to show you the path that you can grow until you become an actual expert and become very relevant in the job market. So hope that this information helps you. Thanks again and good luck in your Splunk journey.